Good morning students, welcome back to the channel. Students, as you all know, we have started chapter number 6 and in the last lecture we have seen about the conversion of a degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Okay, so students, you can see here I am having the question that it is 55 degrees Celsius. So you can see students here, as it is in a degree Celsius, so I need to convert into degree Fahrenheit. So if you want to convert any quotient, any number into from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, you need to remember this formula, that is F equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Okay, C equal to 9 upon 5 plus 32. If you want to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit at that time. So let us see in detail, let us solve this numericals. Okay, now students, some of you will ask me that from where this formula came. So students, for derivation of this formula, you need to take science in standard 11th. This derivation will come, that from where F equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Okay, so just now you need to remember only the formula. So let us solve the numericals step by step. So here I want to convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, so I will put the formula F equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32 equal to F equal to, what is C given here? C is 55. So I will place here 55 into 9 upon 5 in bracket plus 32. Okay, now students, you can see here, as it is in multiplication, I will do cutting. In 5 table 55 will come? Yes, it will come. So 5 ones are 5 11s are 55. 5 ones are and 5 11s are 55. F equal to 11 multiplied by 9 plus 32. Okay, equal to 11 nines are how much? 11 nines are 99 plus 32. Now add it, 99 plus 32, how much? I am adding for you here. 99 plus 32, how much? 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So answer is 131 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Okay, let us do second one now. I hope it is clear to you, isn't it? So this questions I am writing here, as I am not having sufficient space, that's why. Students, this questions are given on page 84. So second one is 100 degrees Celsius. As the question is in degree Celsius, you need to convert it into degree Fahrenheit. How will you convert? Again you will use the formula. Which formula you will use? F equal to C into 9 upon 5 into bracket plus 32 equal to C. What is C given? 100. C कितना दिया हुआ है? 100. तो C की जगह I will place 100 multiply by 9 upon 5 plus 32 plus 32. Now you can see here it is in multiplication, तो कटिंग पॉसिबल है. कोई भी चीज़ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होती है तो हम कटिंग कर सकते हैं, कैंसलेशन कर सकते हैं. तो 5 की टेबल में 100 आता है कि नहीं? ठीक है, 5 की टेबल में 100 आएगा तो आप क्या करोगे? डिवाइड करके भी देख सकते हो 5 की टेबल में 100 आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. 500 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, 5 2 10. ये 0 नीचे भी रखना है और ऊपर भी, यानी 5 20 100, तो 5 1 5 20 100, ठीक है, इक्वल टू 20 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 प्लस 32 नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 20 इंटू 9, 29 सा कितना होगा 180, 29 सा 180 प्लस 32 180 प्लस 32 कितना होगा 180 प्लस 32 कितना होगा 0 और 2 2, 8 प्लस 3 11, 1 plus 1 2, so it will be 212 Fahrenheit. Okay students, first of all note it down this thing, then we are doing third and fourth. Okay students, I hope you have noted down, isn't it? Okay, chalo, let us do next one. So the third question is 0 degree Celsius. Third is 0 degree Celsius and fourth is okay students, now okay, so question is given in degree Celsius, you need to convert into degree Fahrenheit. So same formula, F equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Let us put the values. Okay, so F equal to C, how much it is given? C is 0. C is 0 into 9 upon 5 bracket over plus 32. Students, anything multiply by 0. Sorry. Students, anything multiply by 0 is 0, isn't it? So 0 plus 32. So answer will be 32. Okay. Next. So here it is given is 20 degree Celsius. So formula is same. Okay, F equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32 equal to, how much C is given? C is 20. 20 into 9 upon 5 प्लस 32. ठीक है, अभी 5 की टेबल में 20 आता है, हाँ आता है. 5 1 जा 5 4 जा 9 4 जा कितना होगा? अभी यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा? 4 इंटू 9 प्लस 32. 4 9 जा 36 प्लस 32. 36 plus 32 68. Okay, so this is the answer. Note it down, students. Okay students, now we will see how to convert the if the number is given into Fahrenheit into Celsius. So if you want to convert the Fahrenheit into Celsius, at that time you need to use this formula, that is C equal to 5/9 F minus 32. Okay, so let us use the formula and convert the following. So let me put the formula C equal to, so I have to convert this Fahrenheit into Celsius, so I will put the formula C equal to 5/9 F minus 32. Okay, equal to 5/9 into bracket, what is F given? F is 58. So 58 minus 32. Okay, equal to 5/9. What is 58 minus 32? So 58 minus 32 is 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. 26. Now students, here no sign is there, means it is in multiplication, isn't it? So 5 into 26 upon 9. Now students, what we will do, I am writing here as 5 into 26 upon 9. Now multiply 26 by into 5. 26 को 5 से multiply करना है. So 26 into 5, how much? 5 6 are 30, 3 here and 0 here. 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 3 is 130. Okay, so equal to 130 upon 9. Now divide 130 by 9. 130 को 9 से divide करो. So what will be the answer? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So I will place 9 1s are 9. 13 minus 9, 4. So 9 4s are 36. So 9 4s are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4.0. 9 4s are 36. So answer is 14.4. Okay, 14.4 Celsius. So which formula we have used? We have used C equal to 5/9 into bracket F minus 32. 5/9 into bracket 58. F how much given? 58. So 58 minus 32. 5/9. 58 minus 32 is 26. Okay, so multiply 26 into 5. So 26 into 5 is 130 upon 9. Divide 130 by 9. 9 को 130 को 9 से डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 14.4. Note it down, students, first of all, this thing. Okay, students, I hope you have noted down, isn't it? So let us do the second one. Okay, students. So second is 75 degree Fahrenheit. degree Fahrenheit, we need to convert it into degree Celsius. So which formula you will use? C equal to 5 upon 9 into bracket F minus 32. Okay, equal to C equal to 5 upon 9 into bracket F कितना दिया हुआ है 75, तो F की जगह मैं लिखूंगी 75 minus 32. ओके, इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 9, 70 माइनस 32 कितना होगा, माइनस करके देखो 75 माइनस 32, सो इट विल बी 43, isn't it? Okay, sorry, so yes. Okay, now students, here it is a bracket, means these two things will be in multiplication. ठीक है, कोई भी साइन नहीं होती है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का होता है. 5 अपॉन 9 और 43 के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है ब्रैकेट में, तो वो मल्टीप्लाई में है, तो इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 43. ठीक है, अभी हम क्या करेंगे, 5 इंटू 43 कर देंगे. 43 5 ज़ा कितना होता है, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 5 4 ज़ा 20 प्लस 1 21, 215 अपॉन 9. ठीक है, अभी 215 को 9 से डिवाइड कर दो, सो 9 1 ज़ा 9, 9 2 ज़ा 18, सो 21 माइनस 18 3, 5 हियर नीचे लिखना है, 9 3 ज़ा 27, so 2 and 1 carry, so 8, isn't it? 0.9 8 ज़ा 72, 80 minus 72 8, so answer is 23.8. Okay, so once again I am repeating, you have to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. So what you will use, C equal to 5 upon 9 F minus 32. 5 upon 9 as it is, F कितना है 75 minus 32. ओके, 5 अपॉन 9, 75 माइनस 32 कितना होगा 43. ओके, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 43 अपॉन 9, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 43, आंसर इज 215 अपॉन 9. 215 को 9 से डिवाइड करो, यानी 23.8. ओके, नोटेड डाउन स्टूडेंट्स. Okay students, I hope till here it is clear to you. In next lecture we will continue with the next theory part. Okay, I hope now how to convert degree into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius, degree Celsius is clear to you. In homework, do it once so these things get more and more clear to you. Okay, so till then, bye, take care.